It seems that this epidemic has had a significant impact on our physical and financial well-being, as well as our desire to find a career. One might argue that learning how to make money is more important than ever, me included, because plenty of people really want to stay at home these days. Would you like to raise an additional $150 a week over your normal salary? If you are searching for opportunities to bring in additional income and are particularly interested in making money on the internet, then this video is for you. I have used every single one of these tools and I've profited each and every day. Sometimes I earned a full monthly salary with these methods. Everyone is looking forward to the end of this pandemic and looking forward to the time to move on with their lives. Perhaps the only way to succeed is to work towards getting a further 150 more weeks pay on top of the current salary. Let's take a look at some of the ways to make money online. Number 1, virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is pretty much at the top of my list of things I can do to make money online. As a matter of fact, there is a very clear explanation for that. The digital era is becoming even more prevalent, with pandemics realizing that it saves them money to be at home. All will be able to use virtual assistants. That businesses need digital assistants or virtual assistants to perform their day-to-day tasks. If you've identified your goals, it's time to figure out how to earn a second income as a professional assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can perform multiple online tasks. Consider, for example, answering questions via chat or email, but also improving Facebook advertisements, removing spam from your emails, setting up meetings, or preparing an email diary. Any virtual assistants specialize in creating pins for blogs. And I'm aware of VAs who do this task well. The advantage of a position as a virtual assistant is that you can often work at your own desired hours. There are companies that offer this service 24/7. If you have a laptop or PC and have access to high-speed internet and the basics of personal writing, reading, organizational skills, and the attention to detail, you can successfully fill this job. Number 2, Pinterest virtual assistant. If you are concerned about making money online, you might focus on only one of a virtual assistant career or service. In a nutshell, Pinterest is like a search engine, but needs fantastic content titles and graphics as well as a high visibility in a user's search experience on the phone. The big challenge most bloggers and company owners face is that they aren't too imaginative, and so they have never used Canva before. If you are handy with Canva, a job as a virtual assistant at Pinterest is a good option for you. Not only can a Pinterest VA create beautiful pins that point back to your site or blog, but they can schedule them for you, saving the entrepreneur more time to focus on other areas. Number 3, offer sites. Oh my gosh. Making an additional $100 a week is not a straightforward task. Offers are perfect for making you anywhere between $20 and $25 here and somewhere between $100 and $125 somewhere. Everything is possible as long as you make time for it. Without major sacrifice, you will make $300 a month, no problem. When I was browsing at the pages and thinking about how to make money, the first thing that occurred to me was, oh my gosh. Offers are simply to reward you with cash when you join those pages and perform tasks or take surveys to earn money. It's fast to make a $50 or so in a short afternoon's work. In my humble view, Oh My Gosh is one of the simplest places to understand. This will make a difference when you land on this website for the first time. It's as easy as ABC. Swagbucks. The Swagbucks method is similar to Oh My Gosh. You are rewarded for completing surveys and deals in exchange for Swagbucks. It can get addicting when you're rewarded for achieving several regular milestones with Swagbucks. The goal then becomes to achieve these achievements on a daily basis. Swagbucks also has a Chrome app button that you can install on your computer and earn money every day, giving you more opportunities to earn fantastic gift cards for yourself or your loved ones. Inbox dollars, the last offer site we'll cover, is Inbox dollars. To get maximum results from the offer sites, you should combine them all. This way, you earn the most money. Some of the merchandise is still offered the same, so you can choose something else. The easy stuff is a section I like on Inbox Dollars, where you can go ahead and answer simple questions or a simple survey for about $1. You will be amazed how easy it all is. Number 4, blogging. Blogging is the writing of online articles. An excellent way to make money on the internet is to start a blog. Blogging is definitely not as speedy or the fastest way to earn money. It may sometimes take more than 6 months to a year before you earn money with blogging. This mainly has to do with the topic you are writing about and the value you deliver with your content. It varies from person to person. The amount of time I spend at my day job puts a limit on how much I can spend on my blog. It took me over half a year to earn my first income from blogging. Some bloggers may put in 4 to 5 hours per day, and those who put in the most may move forward. There are bloggers I know who make over $10,000 a month. In order to make money from blogging, you need to have patience. It's very easy to write a blog about something you're passionate about. Writing about what you love is such a support. Number 5, get started as a proofreader. If you can't stop thinking about how to make money, but you see the same ways and make money everywhere, then proofreading might be the way to make money. Every now and then, I read a newspaper or a magazine. It strikes me that some articles are full of spelling errors. In principle, I am not very annoyed, but it can cost a turnover for the person who publishes the article. There are readers who are annoyed by this and stop reading. This will cause you to lose customers. There are companies and bloggers who have their articles, mailings, or user manuals checked by a proofreader. You can sign up as a proofreader at Fiverr.com or Upwork. To become a proofreader, you have to be good at grammar. But if you're good at this, you can earn a lot from it. Do you have less experience? Then you can start with a lower rate. Number 6, being a self-employed person, it makes perfect sense to look for ways to make money these days to supplement your income in a challenging economic climate. Skills that you have in your workday or day job can be applied to make extra money on the web. You can create a Fiverr and Upwork profile and list your skills. If you want to create YouTube videos or logos on Canva, you'll be able to do well. Thousands of different assignments are posted on Fiverr.com and Upwork every day. If you are a little creative in any way, there is always work for you. So, we have come to the end of the video. In this video, we have discussed again some of the ways to make money online. Do you want to see more videos like this? Subscribe now to our channel and watch our videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.